Live it up at 43 Avenue C in New York, your student accommodation designed to combine luxury and affordability. These 3 and 4 bedroom apartments give you a cosy bed to recharge and a dedicated space to power through study sessions. Unwind with your favourite movie on your own smart TV after a long day of hustling. Skip time-consuming laundromat runs with on-site laundry facilities for a forever fresh wardrobe. You'll forget to order takeout because the well-equipped kitchenware will inspire you to cook even after a long, hard day. Need to catch a break? The backyard and rooftop are always open whenever you're craving sunlight or chasing shooting stars. With campuses like the Hult International Business School and Cooper Union just a short distance away, your daily commute will be seamless. Explore the city with nearby buses at East Houston Street or get the classic subway experience at First Avenue to taste life in the Big Apple like a local. So unlock your unforgettable NYC stay at 43 Avenue C by booking via amberstudent.com now.